internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong Capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong Capsule. FDA approved.
Red Alingatong Capsule, now available nationwide, available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, available in the city of Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Available at all leading drugstores. Sa Red Alingatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito.
The Morning Brew.
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 With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio the way it should be.
And yes, you heard it right. Radio the way it should be. Welcome to the Morning Brew Radio Show. For those who just tuned in, we are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon. 11 straight years now, the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Hey, welcome everybody. Everybody driving right now. You know the drill on intersections, major intersections that is. First to stop, first to go, unless otherwise you're being directed by a traffic policeman or if there is traffic lights that's operating. Okay, so drive safely, drive carefully. You know how it is in the Subic Bay Freeport when it comes to discipline. Diyan tayo kilalang kilala ang Subic Bay Freeport, ano? Okay, but before we continue, let me give you the upcoming invites. I mean the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. All right, there's this sale that's ongoing at our home. Our home is located at the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. Carpets you love, up to 50% off. Yung mga mahilig sa carpets, no? Magandang pang design, decorate ng bahay. Available in variety of shapes, sizes, and styles only at SM City Olongapo Central's Our Home, 3rd level of SM Central. And also, you guys can avail of the free Coca-Cola at the food court. Do you guys know that? May free Coke para sa mga, GSIS pensioners nga lang pala. Available for all GSIS pensioners and GSIS employees as well. Okay, so just bring your ID and head on to the food court at the 4th level of SM City Olongapo Central. That's where the food court is located. Also, the Installment Fest is back at SM Stores. All right, this is from May 1 to June 30. Get the chance to instantly win back 5,000 pesos worth of SM Gift Pass. All right, so you better head on to SM Stores now. This is available at all SM super malls nationwide. The Installment Fest up until June 30. And for all of you fans of the P-pop group called The Beanie, ayan, BINI, ayan, yung mga fans ng Beanie, you guys will be having your Fan Fest this coming May 26, Sunday, 3 p.m. at the 2nd level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. The Blooms Fan Fest happening this coming Sunday. And Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant wants you to try their crema de fruta, because you deserve a whole lot of love. All right, the special cake offer for the month of May, crema de fruta cake from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. And the Boys Teen Sale at the SM Store is happening from May 1 to 31, up to 50% off on all boys, teens, apparels. Okay, so check it out. You only have until the end of the month. And lastly, all right, the promo called Para Kay Nanay Shopping Treats is up until May 24. This is a Mother's Day related event. Pero I know Mother's Day is over, but the offer stands until May 24 at the SM Store at SM City Olongapo Central. Free gelato from Caramiya, free signature facial from Derum Care, and free play pass for kids. The Para Kay Nanay Shopping Treats, May 11 to 24 at SM City Olongapo Central. All right, there you have it, people. The offers coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. You guys, hurry, okay, and avail of those special offers and special promos. And right about now, eto naman, isa pang invites and offers din, ano? Ayan. Pero this time, it's coming from St. Joseph High School, batch 1994 alumni. Ayan, I got two lovely ladies here at the station. Ayan, teka ha, aayusin ko lang yung mic natin. Medyo natatakpan yung kagandahan ni April. Gagano na natin. Okay. Sige po, pakihila ni close to you the microphone. Ayan, okay. Sige po, you guys do self-introduction para sa ating mga tagapakinig.
Good morning po. Thank you, DJ Tommy, for inviting us again para mag-promote ng aming high school batch reunion ng batch 1994 St. Joseph High School po.
Ayan.
It's our 30th year reunion. And may theme na po yung party namin. It's Pantro Party.
Ayan.
Siyempre, in na in kami.
Pantropiko.
Beanie fans.
Mga Beanie fans. Sige. Si April is the alumni
Batch coordinator.
batch coordinator. And
Ganun din po
sige po,
si Lord.
self-introduction.
Hello, magandang buhay sa ating lahat.
Magandang buhay. Wow.
Lalo na sa aming mga batch 94 sa St. Joseph.
Alright.
Ayan. Kaya lahat po ng batch 94 St. Joseph, ini-invite po namin na umattend sa May 25 Saturday at 6 o'clock p.m.
Ayan.
Sa Subic
You
Grand.
introduce yourself muna. Pakilala ka muna sa tagapakinig natin.
First time.
Yeah.
Ganun,
Ano ba yung word na yun? Papa ibayo or papa imbabaw tayo mamaya sa invites, pero gusto ko munang makilala ka ng ating
Ay, syempre.
nanonood.
Thank you, DJ. Sorry.
Sige po.
Ayan.
She is
Ako po si Miss Lori Angeles, isa sa batch 94 ng St. Joseph.
Yes.
Ayan.
What's your role for the batch 94? Batch coordinator din ba? Or
Wala
you have
naman
your...
kaming mga-
Wala kayong mga titles?
Wala
ba?
kaming
Ano po
title.
kami,
All of you are batch
batch
coordinators.
representative din
Oh, there
sa
you go.
section namin.
Sa section, yeah.
Tumutulong sa mga ka-section.
Oh, wow, that's
Kasi
nice.
ang pinaka-plan po ng batch namin, by sectioning po.
Yeah.
Sa isang section, minsan yung mga batchmate
Yeah.
namin, apat kami nagtutulungan.
Yes.
Para ma-overcome namin yung, halimbawa, yung section temperance,
Oh.
yung mga ibang section.
Wow,
Ganon.
that's good to hear. Alam mo kung bakit? We did the same with my batch. We did the same. We didn't elect any officers. What we did is bawat section may coordinator. Yun na lang. Mas
feel
maganda yung
na
ganun, ano? Parang
pantay-pantay
yeah,
lang.
exactly.
Walang,
Tama nga
wala
naman.
pong mas mataas,
Oh,
ganyan.
yan.
Lahat tayo
Oh, ha?
just
so,
doing one objective
Yan.
to unite the batch.
okay, ayan. Ngayon pupunta na tayo dun sa inyong event, yung inyong
Yes.
Sige nga, tell us what's gonna happen.
Well, ang St. Joseph High School, kasi malaking batch kami, no?
Yes.
500 din
Students.
kami, 500 plus. Alam ko sa...
Yung batch pa lang ninyo yon.
sa OCNHS, alam ko 1,000 ng batch, isang batch. Kami po 500
yeah.
plus. So actually, we want to reach out as much people as we can. Kasi talagang pinagtrabahuhan namin, we made this reunion free for all batchmates. Ang gusto lang po
Wow.
namin na ma-welcome lahat, wag
Free.
maging hesitate na mag-attend, ganyan. So talaga pong ang generous po ng batch na para po maka-raise up kami ng fund
Yeah.
para for this free reunion for everyone, just
Oh,
to
that's
have
nice.
fun, mag-bonding po muli. Kasi this is the reunion after pandemic. So talaga pong matagal-tagal din yung last na
Wala pa uli, no? After nung
Opo,
pandemic,
nung 5
ngayon
years
pa lang.
ago, 2019, na nag-reunion kami. Ano pa siya,
Okay.
wala pa ang pandemic. Pero ngayon,
Yes.
di ba, it's nabuhay tayong lahat. It's a reason to celebrate.
Yun.
Na magkasama-sama ulit.
Okay, so this is gonna be on
Sa Sabado na po, ang
this
lapit na.
Saturday, May 25. 25, yeah. Ayan. May prior event before the May. Ay, oo nga pala, I remember you guys had the prior event like the film showing, the
Opo,
movie block, no?
yes.
Yun na yung
Yun yung
naging
prior event
Aside
namin.
from that, may iba pang
Pero
prior
yung May
event.
25 namin, magsisimula actually yan 8:30 in the morning mass.
Uy,
Church
as early as
mass po sa
8:30.
St. Joseph. Sa St. Joseph po,
Okay.
church, St. Joseph Church, merong
then?
mass ng 8:30.
And then,
And then, yung 2 o'clock, yan
2
yung
p.m.
Swimming, kung sino po yung sino makaka-join na mga band.
Swim all you can.
Oo, swim all you can. And
Saan
then
yung swimming all you
doon
can?
din sa Subic Grand.
Doon na sa
Seas.
venue mismo. Wow, that's nice.
Until 5, 6 p.m., change costume.
Change costume.
Para sa gala night.
Para sa
Pero
gala
wala namang
night.
ibang costume kundi yung bat shirt pa rin.
The bat shirt. Yes.
Oh, yan lang naman. So, for all our batchmates, wear your batch with a tropical touch. Pwedeng maglagay ng bulaklak sa
Yun.
tenga,
Oo.
mga lay,
Yeah.
mga flower lay.
Aha.
Yan.
Kaya if you guys can notice, ayan nakalagay sa kanilang, meron silang poster na nandiyan sa harap ng video. It says, kung hindi nyo nababasa, it says Pan Tropico. Ayan.
Pan Tropico Party.
Tama ba ako? Pan Tropico
Yes,
Party, meaning the tropics. You guys get to wear something
Oo,
Hawaiian
kasi diba,
on your hair.
sobrang init.
Yeah.
Summer na
I
summer.
think sobrang init is an understatement. So, mini impyerno nga daw ang tawag. Papalitan na raw yung pangalan na Earth. Mini impyerno na. So, it's gonna be on May 25 na, this coming Saturday. It starts with the 8:30 a.m. mass. May motorcade ba?
Wala na.
Ayan, okay. Tapos diretso 2 p.m. swimming na, no? Wow, swimming. Tapos dire-diretso na yun. Kung gusto yung mag-swimming hanggang mag-start na yung gala night at the Grand Seas. And mind you you don't have to pay anything. Sabi ni Miss April tsaka ni Miss Lori, tama ba ako?
Just
Do not you're not gonna pay anything. Libre for all as long as you belong to batch 94.
Basta batch
Lahat
94
ng
po
batch 94
Wow,
punta na,
tapos
guys.
may pagkain pa.
Yes.
Free din yung pagkain. Abakalain mo, no? Ayan.
Talaga pong blessing. Blessing from
Wow.
our generous batch.
So kudos to these coordinators talaga dahil they made this possible and para for everybody to enjoy.
Yes po.
Hindi naman na mauulit yung
Everybody
30th, no?
30th.
Oh, hindi na mauulit yung 30th reunion nyo kasi next year 31st na.
Hindi mauulit.
Hindi na mauulit kaya might as well enjoy na lang. Pero pag rounded number, alam mo, it's extra special di ba?
Yes.
Imagine
Ang
mo,
tawag
30
nga
years,
Pearl
no?
Celebration.
Pearl, yes. Silver is 20, tama ba ako?
25.
25. Pearl is 30th. Yan. So, special para sa mga girls pala.
Jubilee ang tawag.
Kasi joke.
Oo, tumatanda na
Pearl,
tayo.
yeah. Oh,
So, dapat
enjoy
bawat
life.
enjoy life.
Yeah.
Life is short.
Totoo yun. Lalo na kung
Appreciate everything po.
gagamitin mo yung universal scale, yung lifetime ng isang human. Ay, Diyos ko, ganun. Kung gagamitin mo yung universal scale of time. Parang ganon. Ayan. So aside from this, ano pang gusto nyong ibigay na reminder sa mga baka may nakikinig kayo na atin?
Nagtatanong sila.
Give them some more reminders.
Anong
Ayun,
susuotin?
frequently asked.
Susuotin lang batch shirt. Ayun, yun na napagbotohan.
Bahala na sa pang ibaba, kahit ano.
Ayaw nila na masyado. Para daw
Hindi na bonggay shoes.
Hindi na bonggay shoes. Para everybody
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah.
At
Oo.
hindi na mag-isip ko anong susuotin.
Well, maganda yun. Naka-uniform, no? Sa pambaba, bahala na kahit
maganda
ano.
rin naman yun for groupies, mga batch picture. Yan po. So we have our batch shirt po na kung may gusto pa umorder, pwede pang umorder.
Yeah.
Kaya lang bilis-bilisan nyo na kasi
Running out of
napapagod na kami.
malapit na and you guys print the shirt pa no?
Oo,
And, yeah. Okay. So once again, it's gonna be at the Grand Seas. Sa mga hindi
Yes.
nakakalam where Grand Seas is, it's located at
Barreto National
Barrio
Highway.
Barreto.
Ano po siya, tapat siya ng Immaculate Conception. Yung church, yung Catholic Church doon,
Yeah.
sa Barreto, katapat lang siya nun. After ng 164 ng
Okay.
coffee shop, yun po.
Before by the sea.
Yeah.
Before by the sea.
Before by the sea
Magkatabi yan.
Ayan, okay. So, siguro bigyan na rin natin sila ng konti pang teaser para mas maingganyo pang umaten. May nag-pledge na ba na halimbawa, this section will perform a song or a dance number? Meron na ba nag-pledge na gano'n? Meron naman.
Meron kaming performers na yung mga namin, acoustic group lang yata
Acoustic
sila.
group, oo.
Sila from
May mga nag-pledge.
from
ng performances.
Chastity yata sila Anthony Sembuano. Ayan,
Yun.
kung kilala niyo po, batchmate si Anthony
Anthony,
Sembuano
wow, okay.
at saka si Arnold Patawaran will be and some special guests. Nagyayaya sila ng iba pang batchmate na magkumanta, ganyan, makijam. And also, we have a live band, ang Midnight City.
Oh,
From
okay.
a friend din from St. Joseph, sila John Michael Perez.
Yun, Midnight
So,
City.
yan, Midnight City po will be performing
Yes.
para sa atin. So, talagang masaya kasi everything, nadadagdag lang lahat ng mga surprises, yung mga bisita na talagang yun nga po,
And as the day goes on,
Free
madadagdagan
yan,
pa
di ba?
yan eh. May mga mag-o-offer pa niya na I'm bringing in the circus.
and si DJ Tommy baka
I'm bringing in
mahatak namin.
but let me check with my schedule.
Yes.
Yeah. Kasi Saturday, mostly dyan din bumabagsak yung mga events natin. Alam mo naman, in the industry. Pero yeah, I would love to join you guys. Ayan. Midnight City Band. Ayan, isa na sa mga
Yes.
performers na they're from the city and they come out during midnight. Yeah.
Yes.
Alam mo pagka reunion, talagang extra saya. Nagkikita-kita kasi kayo na alam mo naman yung kulit nung high school, mapapag-usapan nyo ulit, 'di ba? Sino yung pinakamakulit, sino yung
We also invited some of our class advisors in
Ayun.
high school. Sana
There you go.
marami rin sana maka-join para sa picture-picture.
So it's gonna be-
makamusta din namin sila ng
It's
mga
gonna be really nostalgic and kung sasama
Yes.
yung mga advisors and yeah. Hopefully. Ang Batch 94 ba, you guys are an established group na for sure, no? Kasi 30 years na kayo eh. That's been,
Medyo
doing
lang.
organizing. Medyo lang, no? May mga, I just want you guys to share with our listeners. May mga major na ba kayo na mga naging projects, yung mga CSR, corporate social responsibility programs that you guys have done in the past. Ayan. Para malaman ng mga natin.
Kapag reunion kasi namin, yun, kumbaga, we make it a point na this is for, hindi lang to just for fun, pero merong outreach. Usually we have outreach
programs.
Kapag meron kaming 10th year, 20th year, 25th year. And
That's nice.
this year, ang naging focus namin yung mga pagbabalik sa mga teachers namin. So that's why the first time we promoted yung ating movie, SJS Alumni Movie Date. Talaga ang dami. Dahil magpapasalamat na rin ako DJ Tommy na nakapag-promote ako. Talagang it was a very successful event.
Yeah.
Ang dami naming teachers, siguro po mga...
You guys were able to bring in the teachers
more
talaga
than
na
30
umattend, no?
teachers.
That's nice.
At bukod sa naka-movie bonding namin sila and nakapagpa-dinner pa kami noon sa SNR.
Nice.
So ang sayang bonding yun with us and with them. Tapos po, after that, the proceeds of the movie na ginamit din namin to makapagdalaw, makapagbigay ng love gifts sa mga teachers.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
For this year, for this 30th year, yung teachers
Yun nga.
ang amin.
You tried bringing them back in with
kasi mga retired na yun, mga matatanda na yung karamihan sa
Wow.
kanila. So, talagang it's giving back.
That's nice. Okay.
May
Alright.
sasabihin ni si Lord.
Sige, go ahead. Feel free. The air is yours. Conferencing on live on air, huh?
Okay, magandang buhay muli.
Yes.
Higit sa lahat sa ating batch 91st St. Joseph. Napakasaya kasi imagine ang present attendees natin ngayon ay nasa 100 plus na.
Oh, mga
At
120
sigurado
plus
na
na.
magiging madadagdagan pa to. Baka magiging 150 o 200 attendees. Grabe.
Oh, yun, saya.
At higit sa lahat, nababalitaan ko yung mga ibang section ay magdadagdag ata ng food, mag-add sila ng food para sa section nila,
okay. Alright.
para banding moment, tsaka meron something silang dala.
Oh, may paletsyon.
Yan, gano'n. Kaya, very blessed ang batch 94 po. At syempre, pinagpipray din natin, syempre, hindi lang yung sa reunion, maraming reunion pa ang ating batch. Higit sa lahat yung, syempre, yung kalusugan ng bawat isa, maging masaya sa araw-araw, yun po.
Yeah.
Yun po
Alright.
Kaya po, attenda po tayo ng ating batch reunion, batch 94, sa Saturday, 6 p.m. po. Pero mula umaga hanggang hapon nga kagaya.
May activity.
Kasi may
May
activity po
activities
tayo.
8:30 a.m. Mass at the St. Joseph School and then 2 p.m. swimming dun sa Francis na.
Tsaka yung
Ayun.
mass po na yung dinedicate namin, syempre sa event namin. Tsaka higit sa lahat sa aming mga batch na nawala na po. Yun po.
mga-
Kasama po sila
Mga
sa
pumanaw na
maskarada.
In
batch.
memoriam.
Yes.
Yeah.
In
Yes,
memoriam.
opo.
Yeah. Okay, tapos during the main gala night, you guys have prepared a special program ba na
Oo,
pwede bang
meron.
i-teaser to o surprise
Pwede
to dapat?
naman.
What will be
Merong-
happening? Sige nga.
Ang mga naka-line up namin, Meron kaming dance number. Ito, sinew na namin to ng yung mga humataw na kami ng alumni night ng St. Joe.
Okay.
We'll be dancing again yung mga batch 90s song. Yung mga
Kapanahunan. Kapanahunan songs.
Kapanahunan songs. Mga ano yan. So, lalagari ulit kami mag-rehearse, dance rehearse para dito sa performance na to. Tapos, meron din kaming mga raffles. Mga raffle prizes na ibibigay sa mga batch,
Okay.
sa batchmates po. Tapos meron din kaming awarding. Itong awarding na to parang fun awarding lang, M&M awarding na not to discriminate
Not
or
competitive.
not competitive at all.
Just to recognize the works of
Actually,
yeah.
to appreciate
Yun lang naman yun eh. Yeah.
each and
to give appreciation.
everyone.
Yeah. What else?
Yan.
Ano pa? That's it?
Tapos yung mga, yun nga, we have our teachers, may mga photo booth tayo, meron tayong batch pictures, mga ganon. Tsaka games.
Yeah, of course naman. Audio video presentations.
Oo,
Sort of tributes to
batchmate, mga
different
greetings
tributes, yeah.
from batchmates abroad.
Ayun, okay.
Mga tribute,
Tribute video.
Tribute video.
Pictures of collection of pictures from high school and
nga, yun.
yeah, those are the things that's usually
payat pa
Para
tayo.
maalala natin yung mga mukha natin.
yung
Mga patpati.
yung pag pinost ba I'm so payat pa there yung mga ganun.
Parang, I'm the improved version now.
Yeah. Naman, that's nice. Ayan. Okay. So it's already radio interview pa lang to, wala pa tayo dun sa event. It already sounds exciting. Di ba?
Yes.
Something to really look forward to. So you guys listening right now, if you belong to Batch 94, you better come. Okay? Or if you know somebody who's baka pinsan nyo, kamag-anak nyo, kapitbahay nyo, sabihan nyo na. Baka hindi niya nalalaman.
Oo nga. Baka hindi nyo pa
okay.
alam, sa Sabado na ang ating
Ayun.
30th reunion.
Okay.
Subic Grand.
It's this coming Saturday. So, one last time. Sige po, invite nyo silang lahat. Tapos, greetings part. Yun. Batian part. Oh, for the last time, here's Miss April and Miss Lori for the final invite. Ayan. Pwersahan na to. Pwersahan na. Attend ba kayo? Hindi. Sige, go ahead.
Para po, kami, duo, tandem. Attend po tayo ng
Pantropico
Party ng Batch 1994
St. Joseph.
High school.
High school.
Batch 94 High School.
You're all invited. Ayan. Greetings. Baka sila mahal, sabi nyo, baka nakikinig sila ngayon. Bago kami umalis, nagsabi kayo. Yung mga nakikinig na, alam nyo nakikinig
sa mga
na.
nakikinig, doon sa aming group chat na i-announce na namin na nandito kami ni Loreline. Ayan, so shout out po sa mga naka-tune in po kay sila Dennis, Marasigan.
Kuya Dennis!
Wow,
Uy.
Kuya Dennis.
Dapat po nakasama namin sina Sherwin T, sina Rosario Saison, Gary Galareta. Yung kasama pa namin si Ann Pozas and sila Liberty. Shoutout din kay Ruby, na wife ni DJ Tommy. Ayan, thank you.
Roommate ko lang siya.
Roommate lang.
Roommate lang daw niya.
At sa lahat
Ex-girlfriend.
ng mga hindi namin nabanggit, especially thanks po sa mga nag-sponsor. Ang dami po. Too many to tell, pero alam ko po na alam nyo kung sino po kayong mga nagbigay ng pagmamahal for the batch. Thank you very much to all our generous batchmates who helped us all throughout po.
Ayan.
Siyempre yung nasa abroad, maraming
Sponsors.
Nasa abroad.
Naka-tune in ngayon.
Sige,
diba?
isa-isa
Main
natin.
sponsors.
Kahit malayo talagang tumutulong sa ating batch.
Shout out kina Michelle Danugrao, kina
Yes.
Bernabe Fernandez, kina Raquel Basilio. Ayan, at marami pang iba baka makalimutan ko, pero lahat kayo, hindi alam niyo po na sa puso po namin. Thank you very much. Ang dami po ninyong tumulong mula sa simula.
All right. Okay. Wow. Very well said. Batch 94, St. Joseph. This coming Saturday na May 25. See you guys there. Ayan. Thank you, Madam April and Madam Lori, for dropping by.
Thank
and,
you din po.
You know,
God bless.
sharing this beautiful piece of
89.5.
info sa mga St. Joseph alumni, Batch 94 especially, of course. Ayan. Thank you very much. Okay, so there you have it, the invite for you guys. And we will now go back to the songs you guys asked for. All right, here's the next one. Music coming from the band called FM Static. This is called Waste of Time. This is 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.